Hi everybody, thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. Today we're going to do my Allure beauty box. It's a little late in coming this month and looks like it might have hit a snag or two along the way, but it's here now and that's all that matters. The Allure beauty box is a once a month subscription that is $15 and it's filled with generally 5 or 6 sample size to full size beauty items, and it used to come in a little red box that said Allure, and I actually used them for storing stuff, but now it comes in this nice travel white box, and on the inside, I've cut it so we can get into it easy. Well, I thought. It comes with the paperwork, and it comes in a little black, well this month black, last month red. Actually last month was ripped on the side, so we'll hope for better this month. Oh, this month we have a $25 gift from Gorjana or Gorhana, depending on. It's Allure 25 you use to get the coupon. It looks like pretty jewelry. And we have our pamphlet that always has the pretty model on the front, and inside it tells us all of the goodies that we're going to have in that nice little bag. So let's see how our bag did this month. Oh, it looks like it might not be broken. Dud. I seem to have gotten another ripped bag. There is this is almost, I threw last month's away. I should have kept it because this is exactly where mine was ripped last month. So there is a flaw in their machine somehow. Doesn't matter. I don't know what I would use it for, but that's not the point, is it? I don't know. Okay, let's reach in here and see what we get. I have the Mamand Flower Lab Essence Mask in Rose. It's very pretty. Wouldn't you love a bottle that looked like that? It's so pretty. It's a real juicy one too. I can tell just by holding it. You know, some people like that and some people don't. We got those Tatcha ones in our Boxycharms that were real wet and dripping and people didn't love them. But they say if you squeeze them out, you can actually save the serum if you want and just use the serum. I didn't do that. Oh, well, my book opened right up to it. So let's see what it says. We all know by now I need my glasses. Okay, it says it's a K-Beauty sheet mask, and it comes in 7 varieties, and that it is full of hyaluronic acid and glycerin and nourishing botanical extracts, and it is $7. $7 is a little pricey for a mask, although those Tatcha ones they said were 12, I think, but you can pick up K-Beauty ones for less than 7. But I am anxious to try this. We will see how it works. All right, what is next? Wander Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. That's really cool. I have not tried any of the Wander mascaras. People rave about them. There's one in a burgundy and then there's this one, and people go on and on about them. I know, they say I shouldn't open all these, but I want you guys to see the wand. Oh, I love this wand. Like I've said in the past, I love a nice, flat, not too bristly wand. And yes, it smells like mascara. Because when I use the real bristly ones, like I love the Better Than Sex mascara, but they're so bristly that I always end up with it on my eyelids. What are you gonna do? What does it say about this? It says it layers and layers without clumps and gives lashes lots of drama, lift, volume, and length. I need drama, lift, volume, and length. So that's cool. That's another full size. So we have a sheet mask and a full-size mascara. Oh, and it says the mascara is $26. So like I said at the beginning, it's only a $15 box, so we've more than paid for the price of it. Next, we have a Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. That's pretty cool. Let's get in here and swatch this up. I know I'm not great at swatches, but we'll stick with it. And see, oh, it's pretty. They're all shimmers. So you're gonna need, well, I'm gonna need a nice base and transition, but it's kind of a champagne and a brown and a burgundy. Super pretty. Let's see what I can see, what it says about it. And it says that it is burgundy, pinky champagne, and brown, and it creates a sheer wash of glittering color. Well, let's see. Get my shirt here. Oh, it feels moist. It doesn't feel, of course I don't have a brush here, but it doesn't feel like it has a lot of kick up. It's gonna probably be hard. Oh, I was gonna say hard to get that champagne to show on me, but there it is. Let's do the burgundy. It's pretty. It's on my finger. So pretty. It's a pretty nice lay down. Sliding off like I'm... When I put it on here, I don't know if you can tell here, very, very burgundy. On me, kind of rust. And that's what it looks like in person too. It has a rustish feel to it. All right, let's try the brown. Here's the brown. Oh, it's pretty. It actually smoothed out really nicely. I like that. And that's the brown. So champagne, burgundy, and brown. But I will tell you, on me, that's incredibly rusty. But it's still pretty. And I like the way the colors look. So yay, I will definitely use that. And did I tell you they say it's $15? $15. All right, let's see what's next. Oof. Pull that down before I get it all over. I'll get it on the inside of my sleeve instead of all over me, which is where I want to do. This is the Douce. I do this every month when I get one of these things. They're really popular in boxes now. I should get on their website and find out how to say it. Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. Ooh, it's a eyeliner, moist eyeliner. Oh, I just wiped mine. I was like, what's on my hand? You swatch. Let's see. Oh, wow. I did that from super thin with just that tiny little tip, super thin, and then I applied pressure and it got thicker. Wow, it has, I mean, it has, I don't know if you can tell, even on the back of my hand, which is dry because I just washed it before I started this, so that for swatching that'd be good. And it did not even think about running out into my fine lines on my hand. That is really nice. Let's see what they're saying about it in here. Oh, just for the record, you also, that was a variant in this box. I got this. You could have gotten a Larizzi lip pencil in Bare or a Mally High Shine liquid lip. So, I got the Douce. Would somebody phonetically type it below for me if you know how to say it, please? Okay, so this says that it has an super fine tip and is an inky black liquid liner for bold looks. It says there's no tugging, skipping, or blobbing, and it's $21. I hope I don't have tugging, skipping, or blobbing. Blobbing does not sound like something you want occurring in the makeup process. All right, let's see what we've got next. We have got a brush, an eyeshadow brush. See, so they have a little theme going on this month. Oh, I really did get a theme since I didn't get the lip things. So far we have a mascara, a shadow, the shadow brush, and I got the liner instead of the lip thing, so that's pretty cool. And then I have my mask. Okay. Oh, it's super soft. Actually, it's soft, but stiff, firm. It's kind of triangular. Let's see what the book says. Moda Metallics Triad Brush. See, can you guys see that it's a triangle? It's kind of cool. It says that it is the shading, the soft, precise shading brush is the holy grail of eyeshadow brushes. I don't want to throw a red card on that, but I don't know if it can be a holy grail. I don't have a triangular shadow brush. Do you? But it's very nice. And it says it would be $4.99 and it will make your shadow look vibrant. Excellent. I always love getting brushes. You can't have enough brushes. Somebody I watched the other day said it's great to get new brushes because then you'll have to wash the old ones yet. All right, what else have we got? I think there's still like 2 things in here. Oh my goodness. I have the Brow Gal, the Instant Brown Hair O2 Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. Microfibers. I could use that in my real hair. This winter has been rough on my hair. All right. Let's see what the book says, actually. Okay, it says it has teeny, lightweight microfibers, so it doesn't leave your eyebrows crunchy. It's perfect for minimalist makeup kits. Well, I'm fairly minimalist when it comes to my eyebrows. I'm not busy doing anything fancy up there. So this could work just fine for me. Let's see if I can see the microfibers. Taking it off the wrong way. Oh, I can. Oh, look, there are don't know if there's a chance in heck I can get you guys to microfibers. But it's a nice little brush. You can kind of see them sticking up here at the top. It's a cute little brush that I think I can control in my eyebrows. I'm not even going to attempt to do it without a mirror though. They say that that is $22. So, wow. And I do feel like yep, one last thing in here is Mamand Petal Spa Oil to Foam. Well, that's the same people that we got the sheet mask from. And it's a little trial size. It is 0.84 ounces. Let's see what it says in our little book. They have a person that addresses each of these products in here. And this girl says, my face never feels cleaner without any tightness than after I do a double cleanse, a popular K-beauty technique that involves using two face washes. Mamand's formula condenses the process into one step. It starts as an oil. It's pretty cool looking. It starts as an oil, then with water transforms to a foam. It dissolves my foundation. Are you still getting it? I found that when I do this, it dissolves my foundation, mascara, and eyeliner quickly. It looks like I hadn't worn makeup to begin with. So that's pretty cool. This will be a cool thing to try. Oh my goodness, it smells, okay. My instinct was, I was gonna be like, oh my goodness, it smells so good. And it does, because I have a fondness for rose, because my Grammy didn't wear much perfume in her life, but she did wear rose scented things. And this smells like vintage rose smell. I like it a lot. If you don't like roses, just for the record, you will not like this. It smells of rose. So that's all of our goodies for this box. So we got the Mamand Flower Lab Essence Mask and the Oil to Foam Cleanser to try. A full-size Wander Mascara Mile High Mask. I didn't make that up right. Yeah, Mile High Club Mascara. We got the little Model Co. 3 Shadow Palette. We got the Brow Gal Microfiber Eye Gel. The Deuce Liner. And the Moda Brush. So that is a fantastic little box. This is the second month in a row they've done a great box. Last month's box had all of the Sunday Riley products in it. It was a great buy and so many people have loved it. I didn't have luck with it because of the vitamin C and my super sensitive skin. Actually, I did a video. If you want to check it out, I put a link at the end. And this month they did it again. I mean, you have a full eye and a face to clean. So that's great. All right, thank you very much for coming by for my Allure box. I am expecting today I should get my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. That's also late for me this month, but I made it off the wait list after the first of the month, so I don't think I went out with the initial rush of boxes, so stay tuned. Hopefully I will be posting that very soon. And I'm filming this, I don't know when I'm posting it, but I'm filming this on Monday. Wednesday, supposed to get my FabFitFun spring box, so come on back. Please like and subscribe. Hit the little notification if you want to see more of my unboxings when all of my goodies come in. And thanks for being here, guys. Bye.